If you missed out on Pepe and you're kicking yourself because you're like, shit, I could have put in $100 and made $1 million plus, don't worry, because there's another cryptocurrency and this one has the potential to do the same exact thing as Pepe. ChatGPT created Turbo MemeCoin, crosses $50 million market cap. And guys, this article is just a few days old. Let's check out what the current market cap is. You can see that it's $186 million already. Look, in the past 24 hours, this token has mooned 209% gain. So how did this coin get created? Well, mankind started asking ChatGPT to pick a name for a project and it chose TurboToad. ChatGPT prepared the tokenomics for this project and the white paper. It included terms like no taxes, renounce contract, no pre-sale, and anti-whale mechanism. Yes, it is a meme coin and it is meme coin season, everyone. The crypto casino is wide open for business, and this is not financial advice. This is just me being a full degen, and I'm ready for some gains, and hopefully you are ready for some gains too. I just bought about $1,000 worth of Turbo, and I'm going to keep you guys posted and let you know how it goes.